I'm here inside my tent that I've set up in front of Lake 3. And this is the view outside my tent. And beautiful water. There have been some seriously loud people here today. Partying, screaming. Unreal how they have that much energy on a day hike. And they have to turn around and go back another 6.5 miles. I'll never know. Anyway, so got my shoes outside. Those are my /camp shoes. I take out the insoles and I just use my hiking shoes as my camp shoes. It looks like it's gonna rain, so not sure what's gonna happen. Anyway, to show you what's going on in here, I've got my Cedar Summit. This is a new pillow. It's called Hikenture. Anyway, it was on Amazon, and I love it because it's got a strap keeping it attached to my pad, because I'm always chasing my pillow. It's nice and thick, about 4.5 inches high, so it's proper sleeping height, so my neck doesn't hurt in the morning. I've washed my socks. I took everything out of my bear canister, and I went down to the lake and I filled it with water, and I brought it back up and I washed off my feet and washed myself off a bit. I've got my headlamp. I've got everything in Ziploc bags because it might rain, and I just want to make sure that everything doesn't get wet. That'll be dinner. And I've got my pajamas and a snack for after dinner. I've got my 3 liters of water in my hydro pack. And I went down to the lake and filled this up. And when I use it, obviously I will I'll put this filter in there and filter that once I'm done with this. And again, it's been a fantastic lifesaver having that filter, Ketadin bee-free filter. It's been amazing. Look at all that snow still up there. All I've seen today are chipmunks. I was told by a camper that's down, another backpacker, she's down there. She said, the ranger said that yes, there are bears out here. I don't know. I could be so lucky. Anyway, it's pretty much birds, woodpeckers, and chipmunks. I've got my umbrella. I set this out today right here in my vestibule to keep the sun off myself, and it kept me nice and cool in here. I've got my quilt and lightened equipment, and I've got really loud people. I don't know how to shut up. I'm amazed. People have no respect for nature and quiet, peace and quiet.